Baby bath time, fun and learning in the tub. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very common and delightful phrase, baby bath time. This is a phrase you might hear in everyday conversation, especially among parents or caregivers. Let's dive into the meaning, usage, and some interesting facts about this phrase. Baby bath time refers to the time when a baby is bathed. It's a routine part of childcare and involves washing a baby in a tub or sink. This phrase is often associated with care, nurturing, and sometimes playfulness. Let's break down the words. Baby, a very young child, especially one newly or recently born. Bath, the act of washing oneself or another in a tub of water. Time, referring to a specific occasion or period when something happens. In many cultures, baby bath time is more than just cleaning. It's a time for bonding, playing, and even learning. Parents often use this time to interact with their baby, using toys, bubbles, and gentle splashing. Teach basic concepts like hot and cold, up and down. Soothe the baby, as warm water can be calming. For English learners, phrases like baby bath time are great for understanding daily life vocabulary. Here are some tips. Visualize the scenario. Imagine a baby being bathed and the actions involved. Practice with sentences. It's baby bath time. I'm preparing for the baby's bath time, etc. Learn related vocabulary. Words like towel, soap, water, tub, and clean. Did you know? In Japan, baby bath time often involves the whole family bathing together, fostering a strong sense of family bonding. A study showed that babies who have a routine bath time with their parents showed increased signs of social and emotional development. I hope this video has been informative and fun. Remember, phrases like baby bath time are not just about language. They're about culture, bonding, and the little joys of life. Keep practicing, and you'll be mastering English in no time. See you in our next video.